Cool Kicks YouTube channel. Got a little bit of time. Let's go. And we're going right to the sneaker section. Got more and more of these 4D things. What is this one called? The 4D Fusions. And this looks like a size 9.5. 70 bucks. 70 bucks. I think retails on these are $2. Cosmic Unity. This says 14.5. That's probably the closest thing they had. This is size 14 though. Yeah, 65 for those. Is that a Hyperdunk? Is that a Hyperdunk? That is a Hyperdunk. And yeah, this is interesting as hell. First of all, it's small as hell. But look at this. It's a 5.5. But look at this. The manufacture date 2018. 2018, bro. 2018. And it is a B grade. That is crazy that they got these. That's insane. I'm really surprised to see these. Is that Blackstreet? I think it's Blackstreet. But yeah, I'm surprised as hell to see these, man. 2018. These are Hyperdunks. Man, people were going crazy over those back in the day. Got Superstars right here. Size 9 going for $40. Orange trim right there. Got some retro piece right here. These are comfy as hell, dude. These are super comfy if you like Adidas. Size 8.5, $45. These I think retail for like $100. Of course, Hoka's right here. The Tectons, I don't really know much about these Tecton X, going for 90 bucks. Orange Zoom Freaks right here. Zoom Freak 4s, 47 for the size 10. Hoka boots going for 100. Dude got some Go Runs right here. These are Skechers, $35. The Go Runs tend to be pretty good. The Go Run Pulse, I guess. Pretty good running shoe. Pretty good running shoe, I'm not gonna lie. The Machina, is it the Machina? But yeah, these are going for $50. These Under Armours. Couple of Uggs. Like who's rocking these? What dudes are rocking these? This is in the men's section. What dudes are rocking these? Like really? Cosmic Unity regular size 10.5. Going for 65 as well. iShot size 6 going for 45. Moving on to the hats. Got some fitteds. Fitted Detroit Pistons hat right here. These are down to $11. This is a New Era. So not bad. New Era snapback Colorado Rockies. Oh, it's not snapback. It's a large, extra large. Normally 28. Why is that so cheap normally? But yeah, $5.50. $5.50. Got a New Era right here. Washington hat. It's down to $8. Marlin small medium. These have all been really cheap. $8 for that one. New Era White Sox. This is the latest collection too. This is from this year, isn't it? Well, baseball season's out yet, so I guess not. $13 for this one. This is actually pretty fire. Looking for gear for my kiddo, at school, whoever. Got some cool cones right here, $8. I guess compo value is only 10. I have a hard time. Oh, 15. Okay, so 15, about half price. The mini cones, not bad. Moving on to the grade school section right here. Got some Manoa boots, $40 for these. And then got some Reebok mids, I guess. Yo, these are actually pretty cool in the women's section. These are actually, I don't know, the little thing right here kind of kills it for me, but the rest of it, pretty dope. $65 for this Air Max 1 premium right here. These are actually pretty dope. Wow. Well, what size are these? This is a women's 10, so size 8.5 men's. Not bad. Not too much other craziness. Do got, what are these? Some Under Armour basketball shoes right here. Under Armour slides. This does have that memory foam and stuff, so these are hella comfy. Got some more Under Armour. What are these? The wind or velocity winds or wind velocity, something like that. 50 for those. Y'all mess with Solomon? Look at the midsole on this. Look at how fat the midsole is. Only $40 too for these. Dang, okay, seem pretty comfy. And that's about it. They're just finding these Under Armours. That one Air Max 1 was actually really, really nice though. All right, right across the street, a few hours later. ACGs right here, $45. Size 9s. Air Max Plus right here. Oh, these are the tuned version. What's the price on these? $70. That is a size 9. Pretty decent price. Not great. Oh, this is an Xbox collab. That's what it is. Because I have seen this before. Oh, the Dawn issue 3s right here. This is a size 8. Going for 35. Damn, if I knew it was an Xbox collab, I might have gotten it for my kiddo. I don't remember what that size was. Got some Pegasus Next Natures. These are just super comfy. It's like recycled ZoomX. I don't know if it's the same as regular ZoomX, but size 10.5. These are going for $50. Got some fake ass Vapor Max here. Go for $8. $35 for the Grant Hill 2s right here. Size 10.5. More of these Pegasus Next Natures. Pretty clean. Another 10.5 though. Huge sizes. What's this? 15 for 30. Hardens right here. This is even bigger. It's a size 17, 18, 35 for these. I turned around right here. I was like, they got Jordan luggage? No, not really. But yeah, they got fanny packs, I guess, $13. Active Tops looking hella bare. They do have this majestic jersey right here. Angels jersey going for $17. That's actually not that bad. Not that bad. Generic FC Barcelona jersey right here. It's XL going for $8. Nike fleece. Is this an XL or something? 20 bucks, I guess. 20 bucks for those. Normally 55. Adidas hoodie right here. Normally 70 down to 25. That's a size medium. Moving on to the women's, and we are seeing these aren't even women's sizes, are they? I thought these were men's sizes. Yeah, I think this is just the kids, but they do have Air Max 1s. This is a size 5. I think it's size 5 youth or 5 men's, which is 6.5 women's. Pretty fire, pretty fire. I don't know how much though. Bastards. How much? Oh wait, the tag's inside because it fell off. $50? $50, a hell of a solid price, you know. The only question is, can you find your size, you know? But $50, that's hella dope. Then do got these right here, 45 for these bad boys. Got a couple of them. The size on the outside, oh no, the tongue's turned around, but it is 7.5 women's. The Space Hippies right here. This is the Space Hippie 4. Yeah, the 4 right here. These bad boys are $40. This was a re-release in 2022. I was trying to remember when those came out. So not the craziest find, but pretty solid. I never noticed. It says Japanese on the front. I did not notice. Collab with somebody, I guess. We've seen these several times, but yeah, size 5 men's or grade school, whatever. So we found 2 Air Max 1 premiums today. Not too bad, not too bad. Damn, why does it look so dark, man? Damn. Not even like 7 o'clock yet. Got a pretty decent selection here. Starting off with some Air Max TWs. $60 for those. Some shoes for tennis right here. That's the Elevate. Oh, okay. But yeah, I don't remember the silhouette name. $40 for those. That's like a size, what, 11? Size 11. They got me. I was like, some Ultra Boost? Nope. RBX. Pegasus Turbo Next Natures. Is the exact same color as we saw last time. 50 for these. Let's see what size this one is. 8.5. I don't. My kid might fit these. He wears 9. I got the Ultra Boost, and I got him a size 9 that fits him perfectly. I swear to God, I thought he was a 9.5. He's more of like 9. He's more of a 9 or 8.5. Checking in with my kiddo. Got some Puma suedes right here. $30 for Puma suedes. That is a hell of a price. That's a 10.5 right there. Looking for Ultra Boost and found me some Ultra Boost. I think these are Ultra Boost. But yeah, these are those. Actually, these are those other ones. But it is hella thick. What the hell are these called? I forgot what these are called. The Explore Boost right here. And these are going for $40. 40 bucks. Tons of boost on them. Oh, it's just boost right here. And then I think the top is boost too. So tons and tons of boost. This is a 10.5 for $40. Not a big fan of that color though. But still, that's a hell of a deal. And got a ton of those. Yeah, I did call my kiddo. He's not a fan of the colorway. But yeah, dude got a bunch of them. Some Jordan 2s, not really. Tell me those don't look like Jordan 2s. Come on now. Who the hell is that? Dream Seek. Got that Python stuff on the side too. That's hilarious. In the size 12, got some Zoom Fly 4s right here. Got some and 1s going for hella cheap, being marked down. I don't know those. More obscure colorways of the Grant Hill 2s. These are like a size 12 or something like that. These have been what, 35 I believe. Got some more Pegasus Turbo Next Natures. I think this is the most common shoe we've seen today, size 12, 50 bucks. And then got some Pure Boost right here, size 14s. 14s go for 35. Huge Superstars right here, size 20, $16 for those. Then these are the Streak Flies, size 15, $50 for these. Then some huge cleats going for $30. That's about it, man. Apparel section definitely been tough lately. I see some people finding stuff on social media lately, but I know fools be going to like, 10, 15 places a day. That's not really what I do. So, yeah, not really finding much, dude. Moving on to the women's section, dude, got some Adidas Terex shoes right here. These are 9.5 women's. Pretty good deal, 35 bucks. Not too bad. Got some Terex boot looking things right here. Some Free Hiker 2s. Yeah, these are $40. These Terex are usually expensive as hell. Dang, not really much else. Just one shoe to show you guys in the women's.